guys, mummy has just come from mass and she's looking very nice. Happy Mother's Day, mama.
It is the same.
Turn. Nice, nice she's looking.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Today, since it's Mother's Day, we're gonna prepare breakfast for them. Me and Trevon. He'll be my assistant for the day. I know he's looking little sad because he's gonna help me. So let's see what we're gonna do today, and we'll make something very quick, healthy. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. One more.
Wow, Trevon is a nice assistant, huh?
Three more. One more.
Yeah, nice. Clap. Wow. So guys, Trevon ने जो है अंडा निकाला है and now they are all set to start.
We are preparing omelette today. We have already taken 6 eggs, so we're gonna chop off the onions, as you can see. So as you can see, we are done with chopping onions. So now we're gonna take tomatoes. We're gonna chop that too. So there are multiple ways you can chop it off. You can like slice it or like chop in the same way like how you did onion.
What are you making?
Omelette.
Omelette, okay. बहुत इजी रेसिपी ढूंढा
It is,
शाना
it is easy, it is healthy. What else you gonna like? What are you gonna get? What are you expecting?
कुछ बिरयानी बनाना था ना
Really? That you
हाँ,
gonna
तो?
have for breakfast?
Not for breakfast. Lunch also would have been fine.
No, but I said breakfast. I'm not gonna do lunch.
So what's the plan for lunch?
We'll see. Let's finish this first,
Okay.
and then we'll see what we're gonna do for lunch.
Where is your assistant?
Assistant seems to be missing. He's
The assistant ran away.
he is done with this job because he gave me
Only eggs. But that's a big job.
The eggs,
We trusted him today to get the eggs.
and luckily he didn't.
Break any of those.
Yeah. Let's start mixing it up.
Alright.
And I've already chopped off. I'll show you.
Coriander.
Coriander and the
Dhania.
what do you say?
Dhania.
Spice, mirchi.
Mirchi, okay.
Yeah. Green chili, okay, green chili. And I have taken a little bit. I've only like chopped up earlier the onions. We're gonna make it for 3 people, so that's the reason I've chopped off onions a little bit more. And then I did a little earlier, like I chopped up and kept it. Now we gonna mix it up. Now the mixing process. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಊರ್ದಾಗಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ತುಳುಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ತುಳುದ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ತುಳುದಾಕಲು ಊರ್ದಾಕಲು ಆಮ್ಲೆಟ್ ಬಂತಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಎತ್ತಿನೊಳಗೆ ತುದೀತ ಒಂದು ಟೊಮೆಟೊಲ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಂಕಟ ಮಂತ್ರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೈತೆ ನಾವು ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಲ್ತದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನಮಗೆ 3 ಜನ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ. It is for 3 people. So let's get started. Oh yes, and ini Mother's Day. I can help malparatana just to be in a good gesture. Agale nama morning treat na maltukodondilla. And wife gu oka ammagu. So let's start it. We're gonna like break the eggs first. and Korean leaves and green chilies. I'm gonna add these chopped off onions and tomatoes. I guess I should add one more egg. This looks little more. I mean, a tomato and onions. That's the reason I'm adding one more egg, so that you get that thickness. Now we're gonna add little salt into that. Obviously, बिना नमक के कोई चीज़ का टेस्ट नहीं आता है, so we need to add that. Now we're gonna mix it up. क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा है, इसके लिए मैं एक स्पून यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, बिकॉज इफ आई pour it all together तो ये हो सकता है इसके लिए. हो चुका है. Let's see, I'm not good with this, but I'm gonna try this up. Oh yes. We're done with the first one. I'm just
1 second.
holding it. It will be easier for you to remove. The first one is done. So let's go ahead with the second one. Let's mix it up again. That much oil. I'm gonna spread that across the pan.
This is my omelette which Sonu has made. So let's see. इसको 5 मिलता है क्या 0 मिलता है?
Seriously, 0.
So thank you Trevon and thank you Sonu for this lovely breakfast. Na Papa? So when Trevon becomes big, so he is going to do something special for me, okay? Let's taste his omelette and see.
No, very tasty. Nice. Salt also proper here.
Proper. Sonu nice. So guys, Sonu को 5 marks में से 5 में से 5 मिल जाता है. How much you are giving out of 5? Mummy 1
I'm giving 2 for Baba 3.
अच्छा. So Sonu is getting 2 marks and Trevon is getting 3. My God. ठीक है, I'm giving 5 for Sonu and 100 for Trevon.
Bye.
Chalo guys, we'll catch you later. So guys, we are done with our breakfast and I just wanted to speak to you all that how important this day, for me, for my brother, and of course Sonu and Trevon also, because obviously my mom has been the center of our life, of our family, you can say. So I'll just give you a brief about why is it important. Obviously it is important because she's a mother, but I think just to give you a background, so my mother was married like when she was 18 years and like after a year I was born, and my dad used to work abroad, and like usual Catholic Goan families, fathers live abroad and then they come after 2 years. So वैसे ही था हमारा भी life. So my father used to come every 2 years and he used to be in India for like 2 months and then he used to go back. And this, I think, I'm not sure about the exact years, but I think he's worked for at least 15 to 20 years if I'm not wrong. And so me and my brother, we have been very close to our mother in that way, because we were so guys, sorry, I had this interruption here.
ये भगवान क्या जुल्म है.
So he was trying to come inside. Yeah, so I was saying that so every 2 years my dad used to come and he used to be with us for like 2 months, and then again he used to go back. And so my mother, she has taken care of me and my brother completely, being a mom and being a dad, because we were very close to our mother, but of course dad was a part of our life, and we even, we love him. And anyways, I think, so this continued for like 15-20 years, and my mom has always been supportive to me, whether it came to my studies, what I wanted to be in life, whether choosing even Sonu, getting married to him. It was tough. You know the decision of getting married was a little tough, which I will tell you all later on. So yeah, so she was very supportive in all the ways. And in fact, right now, wait, let me talk. Even in fact, right now, she takes care of Trevon. She's giving her entire life to us, and taking care of me, my husband, my son. And I and my brother, we both are very, very, very close to her. So even if I tell her a big thank you or give her anything is not enough. Whatever I do for her is going to be very, very small for her, because she's done a lot of things to us. So and in this moment, on this day, I really want to wish her a good health, and God is always there with her, because I know she's a blessed person, and she's a very, very helpful person. So like, if you ask her, example, if you tell her give me one thing, she will not give me one. She'll ensure she gives me at least two of that. So that kind of, बोलते हैं ना, हाथ एकदम खुला हुआ टाइप है कि तुम 1 रुपया मांगो तो तुमको 10 रुपये मिल जाएगा. So anyways guys, I just wanted to tell you this, just a small introduction about my mother. And right now we all are going to Goregaon. We are going to Oberoi Mall. We're just going to have spend some time. So guys, chalo, bye bye, see you. Say bye, Baba.
A few moments later.
I'm going to wear this shirt and this pant, and अभी this तो anyways it has come out, so I will take this out and उसको निकाल देते हैं. अभी पूरा ही निकल गया है वो, और तो हो रहा है, ठीक है. So let's remove that later. So I'm just going to apply a normal eyeshadow, just थोड़ा सा ब्राउन में आई शेडो, कि लगे कि हम बाहर जा रहे हैं. Put some eyeliner now. Again, let's apply this blue liner and see how does it look like. मुझे लग रहा है कि अच्छा लगेगा. I have tried it out, but let me show you all how does it look like. We're not making any wings, just normal. Okay, I'm just going to put a mascara now. Let's apply the lip liner. So now I have lipped my line with dark brown. So I'm going to add this shade of red. This is of Lakme shade. Guys, if I put this red, just plain, it doesn't look that great. But if I put it with a liner, a lip liner, it changes the color. I'll show you. पाउडर लगाएंगे and we are good to go. So now we'll just add some powder and we are good to go. Guys, I'm ready. Mommy is also ready, and Trevon is also ready. So see here, you can see.
Hi.
So we all are ready. Sonu is also ready. एंड अभी हम लोग निकलेंगे मॉल के लिए एंड आपको हम मॉल में मिलते हैं। बाय। सो गाइस या सोनू रेडी हो, मम्मी ने इधर से ही ग्लैड्स पहन ली अपनी। हाँ, इधर ही हमको गर्मी हो रहा है। ट्रेवॉन इज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू गो एंड ही इज ऑलरेडी यॉर्निंग फॉर व्हाट रे, यू गॉट अप सो लेट ट्रेवू? अच्छा ब्रेकफास्ट मेड ना, होली वाटर। Oh, doing sign of the cross. No. Why lights are not off? You can feel because of the goggles.
ये हो गया चल।
चलो 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 चलो, बाय 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 बाय। चलो गाइस,
Let's go.
Hi, we are leaving. You all also come with us.
मॉल
Mall to have lunch.
हमारा कैब वहाँ पर है, मेकिंग द पेमेंट देयर। सो यहाँ पर है एक्वा वर्ल्ड। व्हाट इज दैट? कम शो हिम। सो लेट्स सी गाइस, इसमें क्या है? ओके, इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ फोटोग्राफी दैट यू कैन डू।
I don't know what is that.
Kind of a photography, Sonu. What happened?
Is it for kids to play?
I'm seeing that, but only for pictures, I think, Amma. Like it's a pearl. Are for girls it looks nice, yeah. He'll go and sit inside the pearl. Guys, हम लोग ने ना यहाँ से ये रेंट कार स्ट्रोलर लिया है, so that Trevon can easily sit. And mall is big ना, तो no need to carry him then, so he can walk आराम से. No, he can sit आराम से ना पापा. Are going to Miniso. मैं और मम्मी जा रहे हैं अंदर एंड सेल इज़ गोइंग ऑन एंड सोनू थोड़ा बाबा को यहाँ पर ही स्ट्रोल कराएगा। नाइस। नाइस पर्स। सो गाइज देर आर नाइस हैंड बैग्स ऑल्सो हियर। ये भी मुझे अच्छा लगा, ब्लैक हैंड बैग्स, बट आई एम लुकिंग समथिंग वेरी लाइक सिंपल, जैसे ऐसे बाहर जाने के टाइम ना एक फ़ोन वगैरह आ जाने के लिए। लेट्स सी मम्मी कहाँ पे। आई नो मम्मी का सेक्शन पता है कौन सा है, हाउस होल्ड थिंग्स। आई एम श्योर शी मस्ट बी समवेयर हियर। ट्रेवॉन, विच फ्लाइट आर यू टेकिंग? हाँ, ट्रेवॉन अपना शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं, देखना।
What we can put in this?
ये भी अच्छा है, नाइस, छोटू छोटू सा स्टील का है, ट्रॉली बैग काइंड ऑफ। Guys, we are at the food court now. Na? And this is our bhatura, छोले भटूरा। छोले की तरह शो भी छोले। नाइस, चलो लेट्स अटैक दिस नाउ। हमने ऑलरेडी ये खाया है। दिस इज सोनू का जूस, ट्रेवॉन इज हियर एंड ये ट्रेवॉन का जूस है, बट आई डोंट नो इफ ही इज गोइंग टू ड्रिंक दैट और नो। सो ट्रेन, ये है हमारी ट्रेन। ट्रेवॉन गाड़ा एंड सोनू इज हियर। Hope they are come. Yay! And they are coming. Ooh, nice. Hi, hi. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. I think I'm going to race now. Trevon. Hello. Woo!
काम पर
To see ya. Trev, want see ya. Are this is of girls. That is of girls. So guys, we have just reached now. I'll just get fresh and I'm going to catch you and I'll let you know. हमने कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ लिया नहीं वहाँ से because मम्मी didn't wanted to buy anything. थोड़ा बहुत I think घर के लिए कुछ सामान लिए एक दो चीज़. So whatever I have taken I'll show. So guys, हम लोग ने ना मिनीसो से सिर्फ इतना ही लिया because already मेरे पास मिनीसो का I have few things. Just took this one towel, headphone, ये pins क्या होता है ये clip, फिर ये एक लिया मैंने just to keep anything in this. And just took this one perfume to try, Jasmine. I love Jasmine, उसका स्मेल पसंद है, ये लिया. एंड ये दो टी शर्ट्स ना मैंने लाइफस्टाइल से लिया है, वन फॉर मम्मी एंड वन फॉर मी. आई लाइक्ड इट बिकॉज इसमें ना इट हैज़ अ वी नेक, और वी नेक ना बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता है मिलने के लिए. सो वी नेक looks nice. So I've taken this. So any of them, I mean, whichever mummy likes, she can, she can take it. Guys, I'll be ending this video for now. And क्योंकि मुझे ना edit भी करना है ये video, and I have to ensure कि ये vlog जो है वो आज ही के दिन, which is 12th of May को at least आपको शाम तक मिले. It was a lovely day today, and I'm so thankful that to have such a lovely mother. So while I was telling you about my mom, I skipped telling you that we lost our dad in 2018. It's almost now 6 years, and now for us our mother has become mom and dad both. And so yeah, I mean that's it's a very emotional thing to talk about right now. So yes, so hence I wanted to do something, and I thank God for giving such a lovely mother. And since then, I think our relationship with our mother has been more stronger. I mean, it's like she's a mom and dad now. So yeah, so it's a very special day today. So guys, dinner तो हम लोग घर पे ही करने वाले हैं, and I'm going to see you tomorrow. People who are new to my channel, my name is Alina Bernard, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And people who have already subscribed my channel, thank you so much. God bless everybody, and I'm going to see you in the next vlog. And to all the mummies out there who are watching my video, happy Mother's Day to you. To all the would-be mothers, happy mothers to you. And to all the females, I mean, see, mothers, it's not necessary that you have to give birth to a child and you become a mother. If you have that motherly instinct in you, and you have that love in you, you are always a mother. So mothers, happy Mother's Day to all of you. Chalo, see you, bye bye.